Did you know that pumpkin can transform your eye health and also fight inflammation in the body? Few people are aware of all the benefits of this versatile food. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin A, essential for vision preventing problems such as night blindness and macular degeneration. It also contains antioxidants like beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants have a natural anti-inflammatory effect, helping reduce joint pain and chronic inflammation. Including pumpkin in your diet may seem simple, but its effects are profound. Beyond eye health, pumpkin contributes to strengthening the immune system, thanks to vitamins C and E, which fight infections. It also aids digestion due to its fiber content, promoting satiety and helping maintain a healthy weight. People who consume pumpkin regularly notice more energy and overall well-being, as well as healthier skin, since its nutrients support cell regeneration and prevent premature aging. You can consume pumpkin in various ways: roasted, boiled, in soups, or juices. Try 3 simple recipes: roasted pumpkin with fine herbs, creamy pumpkin soup with ginger, and a detox juice of pumpkin with carrot and orange. Each recipe preserves essential nutrients, ensuring benefits for vision and anti-inflammatory action. Pumpkin can also be combined with other antioxidant-rich foods like tomato and carrot, further increasing its effectiveness. For children, including pumpkin in the diet supports eye development and strengthens immunity. For adults, regular consumption can reduce the risk of inflammatory and degenerative diseases. Studies show that beta-carotene in pumpkin can lower the risk of cataracts and retinal degenerative issues. Additionally, pumpkin is an economical and easy-to-prepare option, making it easy to integrate into healthy diets. Incorporating pumpkin into your daily routine is an investment in long-term health. Don't wait to feel symptoms to notice the benefits. Start today by exploring this superfood with simple, tasty recipes that strengthen vision and promote overall well-being. Pumpkin is a powerful ally, and now that you know its anti-inflammatory and vision-boosting effects, there is no reason to leave it out of your daily diet.
The channel's main mission is to transform solidarity into meaningful action. Every contribution received is directed towards supporting people in vulnerable situations, providing essential help in areas such as food, clothing, medicine, and, whenever possible, opportunities for reintegration into the job market. Sadly, many families face daily struggles to meet their most basic needs, and this is where the channel seeks to make a difference. Donations, whether large or small, are vital to keeping this movement alive. With transparency as a guiding principle, all collected funds are dedicated to initiatives that improve the quality of life for those who need it most. Beyond material support, the channel also promotes awareness campaigns, encouraging a culture of empathy and cooperation among its followers. We believe that every act of generosity can create a chain of hope, positively impacting not only those who receive but also those who give. By contributing, you become part of a supportive network that transcends barriers and proves that, together, we can build a fairer and more compassionate future. Your collaboration is more than a donation. It is an act of love and transformation.